Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Fidelity account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access account security settings. Before changing your settings, use the etroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Fidelity will provide you with options for how you want to receive your authentication codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to verify your choice. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen authentication method, confirm the changes and save your settings. You may need to enter a code sent to you to finalize the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Fidelity account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.